Guys, this is Aaron Peppercorn here, bringing you to another Jigsaw card solitaire video. Let's go ahead and do today's theme. As you saw, I did go ahead a little bit, but hey, I'm back to making another video for you guys. So let's get this stuff on the road, shall we? So a lot of you guys are wondering, will I be doing this all the time? Who knows? It will actually depend on my mood during if I'm ready for a new video to be uploaded or not. But regardless, I will not abandon you guys when it comes to making videos. This might be a short video today too, so yeah. So please keep that in mind. But anyways, yeah, let's just enjoy this video and see where things go. If I can figure out this puzzle quickly or not, I do not know if I'm going to be able to, but hey, who knows? Oh. Hey, there we go. We're now figuring out the puzzle. We even figured out more of the puzzle. Oh my god, we're figuring out the puzzle way too quickly. I want us to take it slow, though, not be too quick. But yeah, let's just say this. I'm hoping that you guys enjoy my content. I want to make sure that content that you guys will love and enjoy every single day. So give me feedback on what you like. I will try my best to get to every single thing that I can in the future, but regardless, yeah. Yeah, this is getting pretty interesting. Why am I having struggles right now? This is funny to me. Why is me struggling funny to me? I do not know. Regardless, oh, there we go. There we go. Gotta go. But yeah, no. On a side note, I am not giving up on YouTube. Oop at all. Never will, unless I have to. Which is going to be a very, very low chance of that happening. Hey! Oh boy. Oh, we know exactly where that goes. Oh, and I just lost that whole artistic artwork. And I just found it all back in a matter of a split second. Okay, that's impressive. But yeah, if you guys like watching my videos, please leave a like and a comment. I do hope you guys are enjoying my stuff. It lets me know immediately if people like it or not. So yeah, please do. Chatting while playing a freaking game like this. This is actually quite relaxing right now. Do you feel relaxed? I feel relaxed. Oh. Well, I might actually need to take it slow a little bit. I'm actually kind of going a little too quickly. How quaint. And now I'm actually about to be finished, which is about to be a sad part and a fun part. But yeah. Yeah, no, if you guys want me to make more videos like this in the future, please leave a like, as I said before. Yeah, no. Making this type of content is actually fun. Sorry about that. Hopefully that did not just destroy a lot of people's ears. Maybe if this volume button of mine didn't do that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing up to a few levels, shall we? I'll even play a little bit of the main thing if I can figure this puzzle out. This is, why did it give me a hard level right away? Okay, this is funny. This is fine. This is fine. Oh dear God, You know, I said this is fine. I don't know if it's fine anymore. What in the heck is happening? Okay, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. What happened? What just happened there for a second? I'm so confused. I actually confused myself. That's funny. Yes, when I make these videos, I'm slightly a little bit confused of myself and my own sanity, but yeah. But hey, who knows? All we have to do is just keep moving forward. That's pretty much about it. Don't forget about that. Keep moving forward and do not give up on yourself. By giving up on yourself, you're giving up on others. Remember that. Even if life throws curveballs at you, don't give up. Because giving up is not something that I want for anybody. Regardless, I'm actually managing to get this one done, which is actually a blessing. And there we go. And now let's do 4 more, shall we? Let's do 4 more of these puzzles. And get this stuff done, and then we'll be good to go. And then you guys will get to see this video when I upload it. Yep. You know something? If you turn off your Wi-Fi, by the way, a little bit of a tidbit when playing this game, turn off your Wi-Fi and then you will be able to play without ads. That's a little bit of a trick that I've learned to do when I make this video. It's not even a joke. Give it a try. It will actually work. Yeah, following part of my channel's logic, aka teaching something new. Did not expect myself to do that today. Yeah. Whoa. Volume button, No, you're not winning. Volume button. Come on. Now, go away. Thank you. No. Now, go away. I don't want you to show up ever again like that. Thank you. Alright, we have 3 more left. Or 2 more. I lost count. Okay, scratch that. Looks like we're going to end on this one. Alright. Let's hope this battle between me and the volume button goes away because, okay, I think I may have gone, I'm now in battle with a freaking volume button. That's funny. Yeah, the volume button actually may have screwed me a little bit, but hey. It's not gonna defeat me entirely because, no. I do not plan on losing to a volume button today. Oh my god, I am definitely gonna need to get my phone checked out after this video. But regardless, yeah, no, hopefully you guys are enjoying today's video. This is gonna be the last freaking puzzle because, yeah, I might have to give my phone a break. But yeah, no, I'm not gonna quit making videos. I can make that as a promise for now. That's a joke. It is going to be an actual promise, though, because I always say do not give up. I always say that, and I mean it. If you're thinking about giving up and you're watching this, try again, because I am not letting you give up a single ounce of your own life. Not even against my own accord. I'm not letting you give up on life. That's a big no-no. Big, massive no. There we go. We're now getting somewhere. There we go. Oh my god, there we go. I have never thought I would be making another video this quickly, but yeah. And there we go, the last puzzle done for today. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and there goes the volume button again. And yep, make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment. Stay cool, stay awesome, stay strong, stay vigilant. You know what it is. Peace.